Hi, today in this section of video I will discuss about how to store your output to a file. Suppose you got your output or pictures, suppose as output, and this output file you want to store in a particular format, maybe PNG format, maybe JPG format. So how we'll do these things? So today we'll discuss about this thing. So to do this thing, PNG function will call first. In the PNG function, suppose after that you will write which name it should be. Suppose I'm taking the name lt multiple port.png, like this format I want to save, and check it out in my files. There is no png actually, so multiple plot there is no file. Okay, so it will automatically created on multiple plot.png file to your current working directory. You can see there is no multiple plot.png file is here. Okay, so fine, all right. So after that it will be stored the file inside multi-png.png file. So now divided the paragraph. So paragraph divided is mf row equal to c, 2 by 2, 2 row of 2 column plot you want to save it. After that you I'm taking this values from previous example. Actually it is the same thing of here, like this. Okay, yeah, these values. So put these values at here. So it will be created the same thing previously I discussed how to create the 4 plot in a single window. It will be plotted. After that you should have to add one more thing at here, is dev dev of. You should have to add it here, nothing else. So it will be created a plot and it will be saved. So let's run the program. So I can start the program to run at here. So yeah, program is created, then it is segmented. Now it will create it and create it. Fine. So if you want to see the last plot, that is leave it here and you will get the file, I think qq plot, multiple plot. This one is not that, this one is just created. If you want to see, just click on that, you will get the plot. This plot is now saved in png format. Whatever the format you got, you will be saved at here, and you can see the output from here also. This output at here, this output is actually saved at that format, in png format. Along with that, I want to show you more one thing. It is the graphic section. It is the last video. If you want to change some parameter values, so actually the parameter value at here, something is like this. Okay, so how to change the some graphical parameters value if you want to change it. So like parameter of lty is means like that type of line type. It is by default, it is solid you are using. You can change it something else. And sorry, and parameter of bg means background color. We are using the background color of white. To change the background color, suppose you want to change something else little bit. Okay, so paragraph of bg equal to, use the parameter which one you want to, suppose light yellow. Light yellow color if you want to use, yeah, it will be changed to light yellow color. Suppose you to any picture, suppose I'm running this program. So in this program, like this thing, the background color is completely white. So if I run this program now, we change this thing, so it will be like something else. It will be background color of light yellow color. So runs the program and see this output. The background is light yellow color. It is not so different. So to make it more differentiate, so make it light blue color. So we'll get the idea. Now running this code. Now we can see light blue color it is now. So it is the change of blue color. So it is not good. I think the default setting is good. So make it like previously it is like white color, so make it white only. neither and further you'll face the issue. And like this you can change the font ground color also. Paragraph of FG, it will give the sorry font color is black color. Whatever the line is coming in the black color, you can change it with another's. It is not an issue, and we are using by default the parameters, I mean the graphical section by 4 by 4, so you can change it by paragraph of mf row. Each and every times you should have to make it default, like C, one to row and one column. Okay, and you can change the paragraph, you can change the line width. It's not an issue. Suppose the line width is taken like uh, lwd line width is taken like 1. So if you change the line width equal to something else, so the color will come as like different, sorry, suppose it's 3, you can change it. So after that, if you plot any things like one car we were plotting from sine curve from -3 to suppose 3. So let's see, run it. So you can see the sine curve is now quite bolder because we changed the line width, because the line width is changed by 3. So the change the line width over here 1, actually make it default. So run it. After that, run it, you'll get the previous by default setting. So it is the type, it is the discussion about how to plot a file. There is a number of figure you can plot in one page, one window only, and how to save it, and the change the some default setting of R for graphical. So it is the last video in graphics section. After that I will come to with a linear regression, ANOVA. ANOVA is a very important thing which is known as the analysis of variance in linear regressions. I will discuss on this video very soon, from today or tomorrow onwards. So the last request from to you guys, please subscribe my channel, like my video, and press the bell icon for more notification, actually my revenues and getting the motivations from the YouTube only. So actually my prime and prime focus is the YouTube subscriber and their revenue generated from the YouTube only. So it is the most precious things for me, that how many persons subscribe my channels. So it is a request, and you can follow my other videos like statistics, machine learning, data science, and neural network. Some of the project is given, and Python, along with the Python hiring challenge also I'm uploading this video. So as your requirement basis, you can follow those videos as well. So I think hope you enjoy this video. So have a nice day. Bye.